up, guys? What's going on? I know it's been like 2 maybe to 3 weeks. I'm pretty sure by the thumbnail and title, you guys already know I bought a house. I've been cranking on this house for like literally the past 2 weeks. I've been cranking at this house, you know, to get it ready and stuff like that. So back in the house now. Got the car here. Just got my part back literally yesterday, I believe, or 2 days ago. So yeah, I'm actually gonna go grab that, put that on, start the car, make sure everything is good, and then probably later on today, whatever, bring the car over to the new house. I'm not even sure where this vlog is picking up at, no idea, but yeah, I'm gonna go outside right now and pick up the part. All right, so you guys already know the process. I'm basically just gonna open this up, put it back together, and we should be good. Should be right back on the road. I just need to find my Honda Bond. Once I find my Honda Bond, I'll be straight. Parts here that I need to put back onto the head, and then that's it. Just gotta take off those bolts, and we're good to go. All right, guys, we are back. Got it all buttoned up. My wideband sensor, this is a brand new wideband sensor, by the way, and it went bad also after like 3 days. I think the way my wideband sensor is placed with the up pipe is killing my my O2 sensor. So I think where it's positioned at, when I try to crank it, it's just pouring gas and it's flooding it. My builder told me that also, so I think I'm gonna have to probably try to switch the sensor from like being down here to probably a little bit more up, so when it starts, it doesn't just like smack it with all like the fuel and stuff. So I'm just gonna let it warm up a little bit, and yeah, I'm not gonna take it home right now. I just want to make sure she's good, warms up, everything is nice, and then I'll probably come back tonight and pick it up with my wife, because I gotta drop off one car, come back and pick up another car. So and what up, y'all? It's like a day after. I'm gonna go today to go pick up the Civic, but as you guys know, I'm moving to the new house, so I'm going to go pick up my computer, my monitor, my other monitor and stuff is in the back. I know I haven't like really live streamed or something like that in a while, but it's been like the house, working on the house. I've been waking up at 6:30 in the morning every single day to work on the house. It's been a lot, so I've been busting my ass, painting it, you know, renovating it. The house is literally brand new. The house is in excellent, wonderful, beautiful shape. So I'm heading to the new house now. I still haven't shown you guys the new house, but I'm gonna pick up the camera, show you guys the outside of it, and then I'll continue with showing you guys like the inside of the garage and stuff like that with the car. Maybe when I get the Civic. There's been a lot going on, so I've been just trying to like clean up the front. I've been trying to clean up like the front of the house stuff, because the previous people that had it weren't even living there anymore. So, you know, just needed a little bit of cleanup and stuff like that. But yeah, but I'm loving it out here, literally loving it out here. You won't see that in New York, or New York City. I'm absolutely loving it out here. Look at the sky, the grass, everything. It's beautiful out here. But yeah, guys, so I might go home. Well, I am going home, and I'm gonna show you guys the outside of the house when I get there. And like I said, later I'm gonna go and pick up the Civic and update you guys. I might give you guys a little sneak peek of inside the house for right now. So we'll see. Alright, I don't know how to keep vlogging on and off, but it's the house. The garage is a mess right now. Today's my daughter's birthday, but family's over. I got family members on the roof cleaning the roof. Look at this view though. Beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. But yeah, Civic took out for a drive yesterday. No more leaks, no nothing. So we're good. So I'll pick up the camera when I can. I'm probably not going to be able to drop this vlog this week, because I'm going to be busy with my daughter's birthday and stuff. It's the 17th birthday. So I'll pick up the camera again when I can. Give you guys a little preview of the bathroom. Everything came out nice. Everything brand new. Redid everything. What's going on, y'all? Good morning. Finally get to speak to you guys. It's been a long 3 weeks. It's been long. This has been super long. So, just want to kind of give you guys like a breakdown. We've been in the process of buying a house, obviously, for a really long time. You know, you guys know buying a house takes a long time because you have to go through a process and, you know, paperwork, background, a whole bunch of stuff. So, yeah, it's been in the works for a long time. Well, basically just been, you know, trying to work on a car, get stuff done behind the scenes, moving stuff. I was in 2 Airbnbs. I was in one for about, I believe I was in one for 2 months, 2-3 months. And then we was just in another one for about a month. While, you know, the house got made. Well, not got made, but the paperwork and everything went through. The garage right now looks like a complete mess. We just literally moved in here, so we just had to like put some stuff in the garage. Today's goal is to take out literally mostly all of this stuff and put it in the shed outside, because that's definitely where it belongs. It does not belong here. And if you guys would have seen this garage is completely empty when I first moved in. So that's the goal, to put it back to where it's at. So I know probably the algorithm for me is probably not going to be good because I didn't post in 3 weeks, damn near a month. So, which is never good, but yeah, we're just going to keep grinding, keep putting out videos, and keep working. So the car's here. I took her out yesterday also. Took my wife's cousin out for a ride. He's into cars and does videography and stuff like that. I must have done probably like 120 down the strip right here where I live at. It's completely empty. So long. I was like almost at the top of 4th for that one. And this car is moving out. So I didn't bring my camera or anything like that, but I basically wanted to give you guys, you know, update, let you guys know what's been going on. As far as the car, I don't know. I don't really think I have that much to do. Just have to actually clean the car because the car is like absolutely filthy. Because if you guys know, I had that problem with the cam cap being cracked. So I got that replaced. Well, I didn't get that replaced. I got that fixed actually. So basically, I was waiting for it to come back. It took a little bit, but you know, in the process, I was doing all the stuff with the house. So that's back on the car, which has been great, has worked wonderful. So thank God I went with that route rather than doing something else. I'm trying to see if I have anything else to do to the car. I want to take it out probably this weekend. There's like a couple car meets, car shows and stuff be going on like on the weekends. And I do know like Saturday and stuff like that, they be having like road racing and stuff like that. I definitely want to take it out and see what she'll do in some road racing, because I know from a roll she'll get down for sure on a roll. So definitely want to see what she does on that. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what's been going on with my life. You know, this is the big you know, step in life, and I'm, you know, which I'm ready for. Like, look at this view. It's beautiful. Got 1 acre of land. Couldn't ask for more. Literally couldn't ask for anything more. So yeah, but like I said, today's goal is to empty out this garage, make it cleaner, you know, empty it out, make it empty, because I want to do like flooring and stuff like that. Probably next month I'll end up doing like, you know, painting the floor, doing epoxy and all that other stuff. But today is just basically going to be organizing all of the stuff that's in here, because when I first moved in it was completely empty and it was great. And we started putting stuff out here because you know, my daughter's birthday. So yeah, I'm gonna organize that. So I'm not too sure if I'm gonna pick up the camera again. Might pick up the camera again. I'm not too sure, but if I don't, thank you guys again for watching. I'm sorry that I've been gone for a long time, but you know, I had to take care of life stuff, which is great. You know, something me and my wife is something we always wanted, and you know, I will repeat it again 100 times. A house versus any type of car, this is a lifetime investment for our family and stuff. So thank you guys again for watching. I'm not too sure, like I said, if I'm gonna pick up the camera. If I don't pick up the camera, appreciate you guys watching. Content will be back. Make sure you guys like this video, please, for me, because obviously algorithm for me is gonna be all types of craziness because I've missed like 3 weeks. So I really appreciate you guys. Built to enjoy. Peace out. Progress. I'm good. Alright guys, close out the video here. Clean up a little more. Stay tuned for the next video to see the ending of the garage. Peace out.